minus 1, 3. Next step, look at the formula. What should I do? Square of the deviation, x square, 2 to the 4, minus minus plus. Okay. So 1 and 3 3 are, do the sum now. Okay. Sum x square 14. Next step. Now let us take the value of y variable. So 4, 6 and let 12. 10, 22. Huh? We can also change. Let 3, 6, 12. Okay. Okay, no problem. So sum of y 21, number of observations 3. So mean y 7. Okay. 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. Clear? Still you people are writing, though I said don't write. You do the one thing, try to understand. Afterward you may copy. Got it? Now next step. When I ask you what is the next step, what should I write? So what I am doing it. I want that your attention should be this side only. I want your involvement more and more with it. Next step. Y minus mean small y. See, I am writing small y and small x. Small y and x is nothing but deviation. You may write dy and dx. Understood? So y 3 minus 7 equal to next 6 minus 7, 12 minus 7. Okay. Next step, summation y square. So mean square of the deviation. 16, 1 and 25. So sum of dy square. I am writing dy square. Right or wrong? Huh? 40. Anything else? Sigma y square. Sigma y square. Okay. Sigma y square. So sigma y and dy square one of the same or different? Same. D for deviation. If I will write here with it, D and D would not be any difference. Small y, see, small x and small y is nothing but the deviation. This is the value of x series minus mean of the x. This we are taking the deviation. See here, x is deviation. Okay, wait. Next step. Not over. Over. Journey is over, wait. So what is left? This one. X into y means you have to multiply both the deviations. X into y. So this is your x and y. Okay, first one 30. Okay, or else minus 8. Okay, or else plus minus 2 into minus 4. plus 8 minus into minus equal to so whenever you visit the hospital or any clinic, you know, there might plus sign. So minus minus, if there is any minus, so minus minus will be plus. Means addition. Okay, addition. Okay, 8. Next one, minus 1, 1, 3 into summation x into y 24. Place these values in the given formula. Place these values in the given formula and find out get still any doubt you may approach me, you may ask. Are you going to copy or just calculating the answer? Calculate it. What is the answer? 3 point something. Multiple. Okay, it should not be more than that. Only more than one should not be added. Then, then it should be less than 1. Keep it less than 1. Maybe 0.9291 or 1 whatsoever that is. Yeah? 0.9, okay. Sir, 0.9, 0.9, okay. And 9, okay, up to 2 decimal point, 98, okay. If you will calculate up to 1 decimal point, it will be 0.9 and up to 2 decimal point 0.98. Okay, Vete. So all of you are getting the same answer. Now, see, after doing this much, you have to mention Vete, what kind of correlation is there between the two variables. Let R is equal to 98. Okay. Let. So you have to write out one statement. There you have to explain. You have to tell about the correlation between the two variables. So is there positive, negative correlation, high degree, moderate, low? See, if it is coming 1 plus 1 and minus 1, it means positive perfect correlation, negative perfect correlation. Okay, perfect correlation. If it is less than, see, your answer is 0.98. So positive or negative? Positive. So you have to mention positive high degree correlation. High degree. Positive high degree correlation between the two variables. Did you open file? Did you open the file which I have shared yesterday with you? There okay. That was related to the degree of correlation. Degree of correlation. If not getting, then let me. This is over again. Okay. Plus 1 minus 1. positive perfect correlation between the two variables. Perfect. Negative perfect correlation between the given positive. Next, that is related to okay. Next, there is a range 0.75. Okay, so this side is positive values are negative. So this side are negative values. Okay, 0.75 to 1. This is not minus, but this is 280 to 1 positive and negative 0.75 to -1. If answer is between like 0.75, 0.85, 0.95, either plus or minus, that you have to mind. Okay, so there you have to mention high degree, either positive or negative correlation. High degree, either positive or negative correlation between the given two variables. Understood? Means there is a high degree. Why? Because above 75. Keep it mind in simple, more than 75. Now you may ask, sir, you wrote here 1 and 1 is there. So 1 is 0.99. There 0.99. So 0.99, either plus or negative, means high degree correlation. High degree correlation. Perfect. If your answer is if you are getting one weighting, either plus or minus, then you have to mention perfect correlation. That may be positive or negative. Less than 1 and means between 0.75 to 1. Between, I said between these states. Understood? High degree. First, second, third. 0.25 to 0.75. Minus, okay, these are positive and minus. Are you getting me better or not? Means this range you have to learn. Okay, this is a range. If your answer is falling in any of the range, so you have to write the answer accordingly. This is perfect, high, next is moderate. Moderate degree correlation between the two variables. Next is low degree, 0 to 0.5, -1. Okay, so this side plus, this side positive, this side negative. 0 to means like 0.1, 0.2, okay, 0.21, 0.22, 23, 24. Then low degree correlation. If answer is 0, so 0 correlation. If answer is 0, then 0 correlation. Now listen again. Simple tactics I am sharing with you. First, 0 means 0 correlation. 0 to 25. Listen carefully. 0 to 25 low. 25 to 75 moderate. 0.75 to 1 between 1 high. 1 perfect. So ascending order is there. Ascending order 0 low, moderate, high, perfect. Understood? Clear with it? So keep in mind uh, this trick video. Clear with it? Any query? And please don't take these units lightly. Okay? Now, next shortcut method. Calculation of correlation by shortcut method. Hmm? How it done? Side please. Okay. You can also check your WhatsApp. Okay, see, now I am giving you one option. I will not mention there, let if there is any question, I will not mention what formula you had to, or by what method you had to solve. Let there is a question, find out the correlation. Okay, find out the correlation from the given information. Then this is your choice to apply direct or shortcut method. I am going to share with you what that particular formula. Summation x into y upon under root x square into summation y square. Okay, this is the given. Now by uh, shortcut method with it. Shortcut method. Shortcut method. Correlation is equal to sum of if I write it dx means dx into dy means deviation. Okay, dx and dy. So here x into y. So dx and dy one of the same. Next, minus. Now in this bracket, now we are going to separate x and y. Summation. You see first of all dx and summation dy upon n. So here x variable and y variable. Sum of the deviation only. That is going to multiply. Okay. First of all, try to understand. Okay. At the end, I will be giving you one option. If you will be agree, then we will proceed. Okay. Upon under root, like we have here under root, both the variable. Summation. First of all, we will be taking x, like x is taken x variable. So x sum dx square minus bracket summation dx whole square upon n. Summation dx square minus sum dx bracket close whole square upon n. Now into now here you what same is here, same formula, but here you have to write y only. What you have to write? Y. Summation dy square plus or minus minus summation dy when it goes whole square upon n. Now r is equal to so this is the formula of shortcut method. Shortcut method. If you want to avoid writing d, so how you can write? This is equal to how many they can break down this formula? How many you can remember this formula for a longer time, at least next 20 days? That not next 20 days, but your exam will be on the 3rd April. 3rd? Did you get the tip sheet? When do you have your exam? Equal. 3rd. So summation x and y. Okay. X, y minus. So you can just sum x summation y upon n under root summation x square minus x whole square upon n into y square minus summation whole square upon n. This is another formula. Means here you have to find out by shortcut method. Shortcut. Why do we apply shortcut method? If you are taking assumed mean, if you will take assumed mean rather than actual, then you have to apply this formula. Understood, Pele? Listen carefully. If you will calculate correlation by this method, so in this method you have to take actual value of the mean. Okay. In this method you have one we can say liberty is there. Here you can assume any value. Why you are taking assumed mean? To avoid the fractions. Like sometimes it is coming in the fraction, like 20 divided by 3. So your mean x or mean y may be in fractions. Okay, got it? So there may be some but lengthy calculation. If you want to avoid that particular part, so and you want absolute number, then you may go for a shortcut method. Now, if you want to go for this, you have to remember. So choices are you. Okay. If you want to go with it, then we may take one example. If you want to continue with that, so that is over. Now let me know what should I do or what you want to do. If you want to go with this, then I will. Okay, we will take one numeric. We will go for a practice. If you want to continue with the same direct, okay, then there is only one problem. Okay, that may or may not be. Where okay, your mean x or mean y may be in fraction. Okay, maybe 7.2, 7.3, 2.3, 2.4. Okay, but here formula is okay. We can say like lollipop. If you want to take pizza, that is also available. But you have to pay higher price for the pizza. Huh? How many we are agree with? Means we are living in a democratic country, so raise your hand those who want to continue this want to go with this formula only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 ratio 1 only. So many 13s, they are in the favor of. Write down one question, Betty. Find out the correlation. Find out the correlation. Value of x and y variable. X and y may be price and demand, price and supply. 6, 8, let 10, 4, 10, 12. Find out correlation between price and price and demand. Let price and demand or price and supply. Let price. This for price. Y variable for supply, X for price value. And there is a 1 mark for the statement, keep in mind. Either 1 or half mark for the statement. Okay. Calculate coefficient of the correlation between the price and supply. Everything one value of y. You do one thing, Vivek. You may go for shortcut. Understand? You may go for shortcut. You may take up to 1 decimal point rather than. That is degree correlation. 0.9. Okay. Your answer is how many having important high degree for you? High degree, positive high degree, 0.96, 161, 190, 167. Increase of 166. Okay. Then write a line within statement. Point 996 is the answer. What is the answer? Up to 0.9, up to 1 decimal point. Tomorrow we will study about 0.96 is the right answer.